Hey guys, thanks for joining in with me. In this video, I'm testing out a new combination for a cell activator. This time, I'm using a glittery gouache as a paint base for the activator. I wasn't really sure what was going to happen with it, but I thought I would give it a shot and see what it can do. My cell activator is simple: paint, Floetrol, and silicone oil. That's all you really need for a lot of gorgeous cells and lacing in your next acrylic pour. Personally, I've noticed the Floetrol that I've been buying has been a bit thicker than usual. Add to that, it's been a bit more difficult for me to find it in the gallon sizes where I am. With those things in mind, I've been using water to thin the Floetrol medium a bit before I mix the paint in. In these 5-ounce cups, I use 4 ounces of Floetrol and 1 ounce of water. I just weigh it out on the scale for simplicity. You can add the paint, water, and Floetrol to the cup at the same time, or you can mix your Floetrol and water first and then add your paint. Either way will work just fine. The color list for this pour is listed below in the description. Now, on to the glitter cell activator. For this one, I've had a couple of tubes of Turner Acrylic Gouache Lame paint laying around for a bit. This particular one is Lame Black Diamond. It has a bit of a gray tone to it when mixed, but it's mostly invisible, save for the glitter when dry. To mix this, I had 2 ounces of Floetrol, half an ounce of water, and 1 drop of the silicone mixture added to the paint. Again, you can mix it up all together or you can add it bit by bit. Either way will work great. Do what works best for your creative flow. Since I wasn't really sure exactly what this activator was going to do or how it was going to react, I decided to do the pour half and half. The black activator is mixed the same as the Lame. I basically used it as a control to see what the glitter activator was actually doing. In the end, it's kind of like using a clear gel medium as an activator with a shimmery surprise added in. The lacing and cells appear, but they usually end up being the same color or combination of colors that you're working with. With a color activator, the lacing will always be the color that you're swiping with. With a clear, or in this case, sort of clear activator, it's going to take the tint of the first color you set the swiping tool down into. Depending on how long the swipe goes, the lacing may change colors as it picks up different bits along the way. I think there's a bit of potential in different ways to use a glitter cell activator. There are tons of glitter paints out there waiting to be experimented with. While I used an acrylic gouache, any acrylic paint should work. Of course, some paints are better than others, so results will most likely vary to a certain degree. You could try using it as your one and only cell activator on a canvas, or you could try using it as a way to add glittery accent areas to your pour. Let me know in the comments below how you would use it. Since this was just a short experiment to see if the mixture had any potential, that's all I have to add in for you guys today. Again, I'm leaving the list of colors that I have mixed up in the description below, so if you're interested, don't forget to check that out. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the pour. I'll see you next time. Bye!